Personally, I've been working on a certain type of of a battery that actually can give you a long range of driving. You know that the main problem with electric vehicles is what we call the anxiety, the driver anxiety. You go into the car, you start driving, and you start sweating at this very moment. Will I get there or not? And then there is a traffic jam, and you say, well, and the battery is slowly going down, especially if the air conditioning is working, or you in a cold country like here, you are heating, and you never know what's happening, and it's even not linear. Suddenly you press on the gas and you see the number of left miles going down. And we had to solve this problem. This was a major issue. And personally, I developed an aluminum air battery. It's a battery where the fuel is aluminum, you say in English, aluminum. You use aluminum as the fuel, and you can actually put it inside the car and get a range of 250 miles, which is reasonable. And then if you need another 250 miles, you just stop at the gas station. You replace the electrolyte inside the battery, which is liquid. So you basically pump out the liquid and put new liquid, which is just like putting any gasoline inside, and you have another 250. And you can go on until you finish your aluminum. So this basically totally solved the anxiety problem. Now it's a story of the car manufacturer anxiety, where they are always afraid of putting something new into their cars. But it's going quite well. There are a few car companies that are being involved, and hopefully we will see cars like this driving at distance. But the big program in Israel that was going around it, and at the beginning we thought that we will talk about batteries and about fuel cells or biodiesel, things like this, ended up being a much larger program than we expected at the beginning. The number of entrepreneurs, the number of research groups that joined the program has gone up by a factor of 5 at least within 3 or 4 years by now. And now we are talking about new car designs, we are talking about new ways of saving gasoline, how to ride in the right way, how to use your battery in the right way, how to find ways to share cars even, softwares like this. A whole range of solutions that actually allow you to save on your gasoline, the amount of gasoline that you use. In a way, this is very much like the water story, where you have one challenge to reduce the gasoline. You want to save water, but the way to do it involves many different technologies that all together bring you the big step forward in that respect. And the program, just passing 3 or 4 years, is considered to be extremely successful.